we are launching 4 beautiful shades of the Crayon Blackstars, which textures range between matte and iridescent. Shade number 1 is called Black Print. This shade is a deep matte black. Shade number 2 is Brown Stellar. Brown Stellar is a sparkling light brown. Shade number 3 is called Bronze Generation. Bronze Generation is an iridescent khaki. And finally, shade number 4 is called Brown Secret. Brown Secret is a deep matte dark brown. For the application technique of the Crayon Blackstars, you can of course use these exactly the same as how you would use any normal eyeliner, to add balance and symmetry, to accentuate your eyelashes, and to add additional drama to any eye makeup look. First of all, you can apply the Crayon Blackstars directly to the upper lash line to achieve a classic liner and to accentuate your lashes. I am using shade Brown Secret and focusing on applying the tip of the Crayon Blackstar to the upper lash line, gliding it onto the lash line from the inner corner to the outer corner as close as possible to the roots of your lashes. To achieve a softer smoky effect to your liner, you can take a pencil brush or use your finger to soften out the edges before the product sets on the eye. As you can see, the Crayon Blackstars allow you to easily blend and smoke out the liner, and it acts perfectly as a kohl pencil. You can also take your classic liner to the next level by adding a wing to your liner. Once you have your classic liner applied, simply map out where you want your wings to be applied with the tip of the Crayon Blackstars. I like to follow my lower lash line and elongate the line up towards the edge of my eyebrow, and then join your wing to your classic liner. Before the Crayon Blackstar sets, you can take an angled brush and guide your wings so that they are perfectly sharp and precise. Now, to add additional drama and intensity to any eye makeup look, I am taking the Crayon Blackstar in Black Print and I am applying this to the upper and lower waterline. Hopefully you guys can see how highly pigmented the pencil is and how much drama it adds to the eye look. To finish off any eye look, the Crayon Blackstars team up perfectly with our 2 Hero 5 products. I am taking Ombre Blackstar in Bronze Moon and applying it to my lower lash line, and then taking Blonde Opal in the inner corners to add a pop of highlight. Now going in with Lash Expert Twist Brush Mascara to tie the full look together and really build up my lashes, starting with position 1 and working through to position 2 to add volume. And here you can see the final eye look with our Crayon Blackstars teamed together with our Hero 5 product.